Yeah, so we have a very interesting dynamic with the kids. Our kids in our house, money is pages, meaning my oldest son was the first one to read this book. He read the book Choose Your Enemies Wisely. We're on a plane. Sam, you remember this when he read this book? On the plane, he says, I know my enemy. I said, who's your enemy? He gives the kid's name from school. He's my enemy. And he drives me. I said, so what do you want to do? Here's what I'm going to be doing. Da, 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 da. And he starts talking about his plan, all this stuff. But he's read Atlas Shrugged, Ayn Rand. He's read a lot of big books. So if you read in our house, you can ask for a lot. If you have a C in your grades, you don't play any iPad at all. If you have a C, you don't pick the movies. If we watch a movie, I know you love movies, but if you have a C, you don't get to pick movies. It's a big pride in our family to pick the movie to watch. Like you want to be able to say, I want to watch this movie. We have to sit there and watch the movie, even though we don't like the movie because the family's got to be together. So B's and A's, you're good. You get straight A's. You get additional ancillary products and advantages to negotiate and leverage. My youngest son, Dylan, this is what his day looks like after school. 3 o'clock, school is done with. He swims for 1 hour straight. Then he goes to jujitsu, then soccer, then baseball. The baseball and soccer, it's either futsal or he does regular soccer, the FC leagues that they have in soccer, and then that's his routine on a daily basis. So he thinks that's normal. That's an everyday thing. He says, Dad, are all kids